Hi viewers. Today I ran into an issue that I believe many of you may face at some point. How to compress a brake piston without using a special tool. Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you 5 different methods to get the job done quickly and easily. I wanted to share these tips with you so you don't have to go through the same hassle I did. If you will find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful content. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Using 2 wooden boards. The first method is simpler. You can use 2 pieces of wood of the right size, just place them as shown in the video, and they will help you compress pistons effectively. It's a great low-cost solution if you have some spare woods lying around. Method 2. Using a caulking gun. If you don't have a wooden boards, a caulking gun can do the trick. Simply saw off or remove the front part of the gun, and you have got a handy tool to compress the brake piston. This method is surprisingly effective and quick. Method 3. Using 2 bend ring wrenches. Another creative solution involves using 2 bend ring wrenches. With the right positioning, then can act as a makeshift clamps to push the piston back into place. It may take a bit of effort, but it definitely works. Method 4. Using a screwdriver. A flathead screwdriver can also help. Check out how easily you can use it to compress the piston in the video. This one of the easiest methods if you don't have anything else on hand. Method 5. Using tongue and groove pliers. Finally, tongue and groove pliers, also known as adjustable pliers, can be very effectively for this job. Watch the video to see how you can use them to compress the brake piston with minimal effort. Thank you for watching. I hope one of these methods will come in handy when you are changing your brake pads. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will do my best to respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.